Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Randy. Thanks for joining me today on the Black Orchid Project. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today is just going to be a quick video update on the sunburn plant. I've done a couple of photo updates, but I wanted to do a quick video update for you on this particular plant. As you guys know, like I said, this comes from this, this sunburn plant series. So if you haven't got a chance to check it out, make sure you check out that series and see the backstory to this particular plant and why I'm doing an update on it. So just like a week and a half ago, I decided to name this plant, and I'm still considering it a plant. But I did like a contest on Instagram to see who came up with the most witty name that had to do with twins, because as you can see, it kicked out two Keikis. And the winner ended up being Queen and Slim. So the big one is Queen and the smaller one is Slim. And for those that may not know, Queen and Slim was a movie that was released last year. And it's one of my favorites and one of the favorites of one of my sons. So I decided to go with the name Queen and Slim on this one. So from now on, I will refer to this as Queen and Slim. And like I said, this is Queen and this is Slim. So let's take a quick look at the plant. This is the Queen side and this is the Slim side. So on the Queen side, you can see she is extremely healthy. You got your initial leaf here. This was a second leaf, and this is a third leaf. As you can see, these are going to be full-size leaves, and that was that initial leaf. She has at least 3 really healthy roots of her own growing out, so I could pop that off, and it would probably survive itself, but I'm not going to do that just yet. And this is the Slim side. As you can see, Slim here has the initial leaf, the second leaf, and there is a tiny, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a tiny little leaf coming in, which will be the third leaf. And he looks like he has at least one of its own roots right there growing out. So even if they grow out their own roots right now, my goal for this plant is to leave them together. And let's see if I can grow them together and if I can get them to spike together. Imagine if these both threw double spikes. It'd be like a 4-spike plant. Now, what I find interesting about this plant is that this is the leaves from the original plant, and it still seems to be doing well. I mean, these are obviously wilted, but they still have some green in them. This root is from the original plant, and it will turn bright green if it gets wet. There's another one down below here that's really thick and green, and last but not least, it is still growing new roots. As you can see, that is a new root, and it's not coming from one of these, so that is coming from the original plant. So this one is going to be one to watch and keep up on and watch the updates, because it's going to do, or it is doing, some very interesting things. All right, so there you have it, an update on this particular plant known as Queen and Slim. Now, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, hit the notification bell so you can be notified on updates from different videos and just all around new content. If you haven't done so yet, head on over to the Instagram. That's the Black Orchid Project on Instagram, and follow me over there. I usually post a lot more pictures and a lot more updates, and just kind of, that's where you can send me pictures and ask questions and things like that. If you enjoyed the video, go on and hit the like button, and also give me a comment. What do you think about this, especially if you've watched the whole series? Let me know if you watched the whole series, and what do you think about the progress of this particular plant. And last but not least, I do have a Patreon, so if you feel it in your soul to do so, please head on over to Patreon and support me and the channel over there. That's the Black Orchid Project on Patreon. There is descriptions, or there are links to everything down in the description. So that is going to do it for me today on the Black Orchid Project. As always, be safe. More importantly, be kind. Never give up on them. And until next time, peace.